good. You just tell me when. What?
Keep
fuck
it.
you. Fuck all you. I got for TNT. I'm tired of Lukonis. I got animal barons, ODI grips, S&M holders.
Oh.
Butter. Premium stem. Animal headset. S&M pitchfork XLTs. Got custom wheel with demo. Got Primo spokes. Black sheep. Demo tan wall. Federal Washington frame. Kink bottom bracket. Eastern cranks. Premium pedals. Kind of expensive, but they're good. Got the kink seat post. Deco seat. Animal sprocket. Shadow chain. Demo rolls. Primo. Black sheep. Demo tan wall. That's it, nigga.
Let's see the dialedness.
What dialedness?